how to fix Gmail paused problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Gmail paused problem on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps or applications. Click on it and then click apps again until you find all your installed apps. And once you're here now, all you need to do you need to find Gmail. Just scroll down until you find it, or you can just type here Gmail and you will find it. Then click on it and then click force stop and now go to storage. Click clear cache. Now just to go back and try again, but if that doesn't fix your problem, go to storage and then clear cache. And now you will need to log in again, but your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.